Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Hangfire. ASP.NET Core and pick a persistent storage such as SQL Server or RDS so jobs survive restarts. Once done, register Hangfire in Configure Services with Services. Add Hangfire using your chosen storage options and add services. Add Hangfire Server to run workers. Make sure to configure recommended options for queues and concurrency. Finally, add app. Use Hangfire dashboard with an authentication filter so you can inspect jobs. This gives immediate visibility. You now implement jobs and wire them to Hangfire. Define clear job classes or methods and keep them small and idempotent so retries are safe. Then enqueue with background job. Enqueue for fire and forget, use background job. Schedule for delayed execution and recurring job. Add or update for cron-like schedules. Once queued, Hangfire workers pick them up, so configure worker count and queues in Add Hangfire Server to match load. Also add global filters for retries and logging to ensure observability and consistent failure handling. You finish by validating persistence and security. Run any DB migrations, secure the dashboard behind authentication or roles, and confirm jobs appear. Once live, monitor job throughput, queues, and failures via the dashboard and logs. If jobs fail, check exception traces, ensure dependencies like DBs or APIs are reachable, and make jobs idempotent so retries are safe. As a key troubleshooting tip, if you see stuck jobs or deadlocks, restart the Hangfire server, review storage health, and temporarily increase worker concurrency only after diagnosing the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.